Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. This box showed up and I didn't even know what was actually in it when it first got here. I thought from the size of the box that it was going to be an antenna. I mean, obviously it came from Amazon, so 2-meter mobile antenna, GMRS antenna, I don't know, but I didn't order one. So I looked inside and it's kind of interesting because this is the box that they shipped inside of that big box. Nothing else in that box. And then I'm looking at this thing, and as you guys can see, it says, My Gift 18-inch modern wall NGING. I know it says wall hanging. And it says bathroom hand towels. So I didn't think it was for me. And then it rang a bell. You're gonna love this, let me show you. I'm sure that just like me, you have a set of HTs just sitting there mocking you, taking up desk space and falling over at the least opportune time. Each of these HTs comes with a belt clip, and I got to thinking, and this might make sense as to why you saw the towel holder thing in just a second. All right, there you go, look at that. That ought to hold them on pretty good. And depending on how big the bump is going down the road and how good the belt clip is, this one here will definitely fall off as we're going down the road. But now I can have them sitting up there, and each one of these does something useful and specifically different. This one is 2-meter 70-centimeter APRS Android controllable radio that has a built-in TNC, Bluetooth TNC. This one is tri-band, so that's like the only 220 radio I have. This one's fun to play with. This is the brand new D168 from Radioddity, DMR radio. This is the GD88, which does all kinds of cross-band, cross-mode, full duplex stuff. And this one is the GM30, which is a GMRS radio. So there you go, radios on display. And now my HTs sit right over my shoulder here, and it's a pretty good solution for me. It gets them off the desk, out of the way, but still accessible, and they're not gonna fall over all day long while I'm working in here. Do you have a better way of setting up your HTs in your ham shack? I'd love to see it. Leave me a picture in the Toads Discord, and I hope there's better ways out there than what I came up with. I hope that helps you get your shack organized a little bit better. There's a link in the description down below for the towel bar and the radios, but you don't have to do it my way. Actually, I'd prefer if you did it a different way and told me all about it. In the meantime, there's a video right over here I think you might enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.